That's Barloworld, which, its principal business, of course, is the Caterpillar distributorship, which is not just here in southern Africa, it's also in Iberia, which is Spain and Portugal, as well as parts of Russia. It's a motor retail, car rental and fleet logistics management group as well, which is part of its traditional business. We'll talk about the details. 15.9 billion rands worth of market capitalization, dividend yield of 4.61, price to earnings ratio 9.2. So share price wise, it doesn't look good because of the concerns around capital spending in the mining industry, which is who buys the Caterpillar and I guess construction in Spain and so on.
Yes.
But the rest of the business, how would you categorize it? It's a modest player in this local market.
Well, no, in terms of their motor retail, also a fairly large player, also a car rental. They've got the Avis fleet management business as well. So again, their recent update has been, in terms of the motor side of the business, has been resilient. So I think what you've seen is car rental also has been fairly solid, I think, with tourism on the uptake and generally people using car rental. That's sort of bolstered the business somewhat. So also a little bit diversified the services business as well. Very exposed to the capital equipment sector and the mining cycle. So again, an opportunity to play that cycle.
I don't know, you want to be playing in that neighborhood. But that is again, look at that.
Yeah, I think what you were seeing
Although to be fair, that's also the general chart pattern of the overall market in 2016.
Also,
that recovery from the gloom
and these
of February.
Cyclical stocks, I think you saw it more extreme. So bigger drops and bigger bounces as a result.
People hate them, and then the market's going down, so then they really dump on them, and then it's sort of just a bit of recovery.
Exactly. But we're seeing a recovery in the mining sector, or in terms of the valuations at least, and I think a bit more optimism. And so this is a way to play it from an industrial
So that's
share.
interesting. Are you saying that the slight uptick in oil and iron ore and so on may be a tradable opportunity?
Yeah, certainly, and it's reflected definitely in the Barloworld stock, that's for sure.
Sure. I don't know if I'm brave enough to go there, but are you going to go there, hot or not?
Look, I mean, I think we have seen the bottom of that resource cycle, and you're seeing optimism. It's an interesting way to play it. It's the rating's very low. Maybe not at this point in the bounce, but certainly one to watch. So let's say not hot because of the bounce on this one.
But certainly maybe it could be that if it's sustained, then one might want to get more constructive. Okay, I'm going to steer to the not hot side of that one, but you're going to go with hot for the moment. Oh no, you said not hot.
Not hot, yeah.
Not
just
hot.
In terms of
not
right
hot
now.
with a watch asterisk. Okay, good.